Hey guys, welcome for your week 11. This is your Watch Me First for week 11, which will be posted right on the top over here. This week, you are submitting your drafts of the literature review. So what all you've been working on, your literature search report, your introductions, looking at articles, reading them, this is the time to put them all together, to synthesize them and submit it as a literature review, as a paper. So here is the Zoom sign up sheet, which is the same as last week for an opportunity for you guys to meet with me. This one meeting once is mandatory. So as you know, you have it in your syllabus too. I have uploaded 3 examples for literature reviews, complete papers for you to look at and see. Here is the rubric for the draft of the literature review. So for the draft, this is the rubric that's going to be used to grade your draft, grade the drafts. And as you can see, it talks about APA organization transitions, and then it also talks about not putting it as a summary. So if you put your research reviews just as one article says this, then the one article says this, then one article, that's called a summary. That is not synthesizing information. And I actually have a video on which I talk about this too. I also went ahead and put a final draft, final rubric draft, so that you can see what is there on the final paper. So you'll see that there are more things, nearly the same, but there are other ideas that we start adding those in for your final rubric draft. And then here is actually avoiding common errors. So this is avoiding common errors, that talks about all the errors that you can avoid. This was also there when you were doing your introduction. Here is the literature review format. So remember APA, this is your introduction, this is your review. I have some important things to think about. I added this thing after grading your introductions because quite few of them, you all used the anthropomorphism in the sense that you were saying the research is a living thing. The research doesn't show anything. The research doesn't states anything. The research doesn't cite anything. It is the results or the researchers that are doing it that side. So the study doesn't determine anything. The study is not a living thing. You can change it as saying the researchers determined or the results from the study showed, things like that. And then I also have a short video on the literature review format for you guys to see. And then here is the Dropbox to submit everything. So this is all that you need for your draft for the literature review. If there are anything else you need, please don't hesitate to contact me. As you know, I will be grading your introductions again when you submit it through the drafts. Any questions? Once again, I am here to support you guys. Best of luck, and I look forward to reading your drafts.